I should this man, you know. I should wear this man. You make your woman you should have part, you know.
Only woman must watch this part.
Oh, the woman watch
so
the part,
men,
yeah.
when you see this part, just close your eyes.
Yeah. Man,
And
take
close
away
your
yourself.
ears.
Take away yourself. Go into one side and hit him.
Say your talk now. Say your talk now.
This is St. Mary, the land of wood and water. Good handsome man like me and sweet mangoes like this.
Yeah.
We are short of pretty girls like you. My God, move.
Like me? This is how you catch mango in Jamaica, guys. So you have a different type of catching mango in a different country.
That me want to know. How you catch mango?
You want me to show them now how you drop out a mango tree in Jamaica?
Yeah, let me catch your video. Everything know me. What you call me for? Me name send you up in there and go tell you say drop out a tree.
How did Japan call me back again, John?
And the boy want say, I'm me, him, lick him in him back, you know. After a boy mash up him back, him say, I'm me. Then put every blame for me. Nadia, them blame me so thing.
Take Evan something.
Evan, bud wing them. See a farm mash up in the backside. You got a mango tree, you can drop out that tree and Bevo just say you want it. Drop out that tree.
Eh?
Look, no man, come. Watch me. Right this one.
You hear that, Nadia?
Look up.
Nadia, you hear that? You hear that, Nadia? Then if you have any damn hat.
Yeah, Dad. He said, look up. I mean, which part that come from?
That's why you look up.
So I'm going to go there, but Papi will go next.
You hear them there sitting there?
Mr. Arthur?
And me don't know about that, you know?
No, because I can't get some whooping.
Eh?
My foot can't see back and push off to come back up. I'm taking a big gully for water. I feel like somebody draw me up. I feel like my hand was me like someone was draw me up.
Oh God, man.
I know I'm not touch a pull back on.
Oh God.
If you dead I know anytime soon.
Oh God, take you. You come. See the mango teeth up in the top there.
I just told him.
Look on him. Look on him.
Go cheat her.
Video him if he can
Jump
go
out that
jail.
tall tree now. No video me
Look
jump
at it all and I'm going to jump.
Slow motion.
Where's Evan?
Look where Shatima jump from.
Yes, you're lintel.
Look.
Say hi, Bevo. My mother-in-law, guys, she's the one that gave me the idea for the curtain to make sheet. You remember that? A couple years ago? Me use it. So hey guys, good morning.
Morning.
So today
we are going to bushes.
We are gonna bush the mango. Today is Monday.
Look, woman go. That's so nice. Alright?
Run up everybody. We're going through the bushes, guys, to get some blacky mangoes and some string. What ants? No man, mango run here, because the mango take some. Black it too. The black it tree here. A black here, stringy. Common mango. Yeah. Oh, what's the nice stringy? Some people in America know they love some of the mango here. You sweet, Evan?
The flower.
Mm.
Sure. So no man yammer.
A mango yet on her.
See, and then look at them, not like them here where we get them.
And how much you pay for it? $400 a dozen.
You can say, look at how much you for them. Mango expensive, you know?
Why? Nothing black if you are on the chimney.
The thing is like, the crap out here.
It smells nice, tastes nice.
I just think your teeth in that.
When me eat mango, the way me crave for mango. Just pack up one chocolate that chingy around me. Hey, down.
So guys, I'm here picking up some mangoes. They fell off a tree. They're not soft. Yeah. We're blessed here in Jamaica, trust me.
Yeah. And look, you don't want to see the tree.
Exactly.
You don't see the tree and what is on the floor.
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah?
Jamaica is a blessed place. And Sean said eat, watch him.
We just pick and choose. We pick the good ones out of the good ones.
Yeah, baby. Why?
Yeah. I'm eating as I go along. Make a good eye black it, Evan. At least you know don't get stay.
We're going through the bushes, guys. We're like Tarzan of the jungle. So guys, we reached another mango tree. It's blacky tree. I love blacky mangoes. I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on. Yes guys. Black mango. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Okay guys, so these are black mangoes. They're green skin, I don't know why they're yellow, I don't know why they call them black mango, but but they're very nice.
Corona, no, they pan the wall. Corona, they pan the ground. Corona, they pan the beach.
Don't fancy watching. Guys, I wish you were here to get. Ah! I lost my shoes. Mosquitoes down here though. Oh damn, they're attacking me. You know, attack me now like crazy. That's some big ass mosquito for you. I'm on mosquito, you know, Sean? I'm picking up mango for you guys. I'm hot. I'm sweating. But it's worth it. I'm surrounded by all sorts of mangoes. Getting all sorts of mangoes. Everywhere I look. Guys, mosquitoes are killing me. Because they never bite me last night, so they revenge me this morning. Sean said the whole night in my fan mosquito.
Short. Don't you ride a cousin?
They said not kill me. But this is not bite me ever, on my hand.
Yes, I understand it. All your first bad no longer.
Watch it. I must have for me see my hand a while ago.
Roll them.
They said, well,
Roll them, make a deal with them.
oh gosh. Guys, it's itching. Okay guys, so when we come out of this bush, I will let you see the catch of the day.
We are fishing for mango.
Yeah,
We are fishing
for mango.
Look in the tree. Turn it up, Nadia.
Jesus. Praise the Lord.
A mango talk that.
Drunk on the mango.
Yeah. Yeah man, me have a video climbing skill. I got video drop skill too.
Could a man? No man, back Shana forgot
Empty and come back.
empty back. Yeah man.
Wait, man, my head. Watch it, look at that, look at that, look at that. He's shaking the tree.
Shake again.
Shake it, yeah, mother, shake again.
Yeah man. You don't see how much red mango?
Look at that guys, mango falling. Wow! Mango rain.
Mango.
Mango rain.
Me I forgot give me back, I can go empty off my bag in there too.
Look at that guys. He's shaking the tree so mangoes are falling. So this is how we pick mangoes in Jamaica guys. Somebody just go in the tree and shake the tree so the females just pick them up.
Yes.
And males too, because even nobody else will pick up mango.
No sir. Over that lane.
So Shani's Junior is still shaking the tree guys.
Shan, when you pull them, I'll empty them out.
Boy, one just missed me like an inch.
Where you put the pan? Shan, you don't need that to me have no mango no man.
No, like, no. Just wait until you finish and pick up mango.
One lick it worth your back off.
Evan, mango lick you. Evan, run.
One cup milk to the run.
I had to come back online and show and talk to you. So we're having fun in the bush. All four of us. We're having mango fall, mango rain. Look at mango guys.
Look at mango.
Look at that.
Look at mango.
Look at that. And Evan have his big old bag over there. So I have to go empty these and come back. Because Junior up in the tree and he's shaking like crazy. I'm telling you, mango dropping all over. Mango dropping in people's bag, and people's head, and people's lip.
All in their mouth.
All in their mouth, mango dropping. Watch here, I'll stick dropping. I'll stick when I want to drop. Everything falling, guys. We're having fun in this bush. We're getting mosquito bite. Well, I am getting. Guys, look here. Let me tell you something. We come in the bush and nobody get bite but me. No.
Don't get any bite.
Everybody else in the bush, right? I'm the only one getting mosquito bite. Oh, man. Oh, man. Watch here. Look at that. Wow. 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 Mangoes falling like crazy. Guys, Sean's shaking, I'm telling you, shaking. And mangoes are falling. Listen, guys. Mangoes are falling like crazy. Yeah, man. Mango are falling like crazy, guys. Watch it. I've never seen so much blackie. The last time we came here, it wasn't so much, not true?
Yeah, man.
It was a lot of honest. Yeah, it was a lot of petrol.
Where's the street tree? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Come empty these now and mosquito bites me, guys. The police them eat off a mango. No, man, if police stop us, we just give them 2 mango. They call Blackie, they make glad for that.
That's what 2 string and 2 big game. I say, after I have my license, I go, man.
No, he said, give me 2 more for me squaddy.
One of them too liquidy. Liquid green one.
Oh man. It's a vibes in the bush, guys, trust me. Which there was teleporting power. Could just teleport some of you in the bush. Mangoes like crazy. So we're gonna pick up some more mangoes. We're gonna empty these. Empty what we have, the bags, Evan bag over there.
Evan.
Empty Evan. We're gonna empty Evan too.
Sweet mango and some man.
We're gonna empty Evan too. Cause look at Evan's shirt.
When you want good mango and handsome man, you come to St. Mary. Look at me.
Yeah.
Land of
When you want
handsome guys. Oh, I should this man, you know. I should wait, should this man. You make your money, I should have part, you know.
only woman must watch this part.
Oh, the woman watch
so
the part,
men,
yeah.
when you see this part, just close your eyes.
Yeah. Man,
And
take
close
away
your
yourself.
ears.
Take away yourself. Go into one side and hit him.
Say your talk now. Say your talk now.
This is St. Mary, the land of wood and water. Good handsome man like me and sweet mangoes like these.
Yeah.
We are short of pretty girls like you. My God, move.
Like me? What we do now, when we get all these mangoes, you're probably wondering what are we going to do with all these mangoes. So when we go back to Manchester now, we give friends and families. That's what we do. We normally come look mangoes and stuff when it's mango time. And we give friends and families. Yeah. Guys, we are out. We're out of the bush. I mean, I tell us we're tired. We're tired, but oh, I got palm tree. You can see it? Yep.
Look at this.
I'm going to show you mangoes now, guys. Mangoes galore.
We never planned for this here at all.
You never planned for this? Look at that. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at the beauty. Look at that. Look at mangoes. Oh, crap, Sean. You're going to get box and something, put them in there, man. You're going to box you up. Oh, man. There's a lot of mangoes in the guy.
Just throw everything there back and make it back for you.
It'll go soft. Then probably go soft. Mangoes like crazy.
Channel can't drink.
You hear me want some to bake or some?
What you want me now?
Where you came from, Manchester?
You like Manchester water? Oh. That's when you're coming from mango bush. You have to laugh first, you know?
Like you done for you, take it back and done it. Don't stop. This is joke.
Man, see Bever with him bag there. Look at Evan bag. People look at this. Jamaica is a blessed country. Look at that.
I truly believe I mango to be a little bit, yeah.
And you know, so when they go up, I give him a bucket and take the bag from him.
No, you take the bag.